May God not allow them, may them kill you.
So guys, back to today's tutorial. Where we are installation. What I'm just going to do is you go over to your search bar, search for system. I'm on Windows. If you're Mac or Linux, follow the same process. I think it's the same. Then go for system type. For now, my own is 64 base. If your own is 32 base, check it. Then once you go over, if your own is on 64, you search for VS Code. If your own is 32, you search for VS Code 32-bit. Be specific. Okay. Once you reach here on VS Code, you click on the first website that came out, VS Visual Studio Code editing, and on the second one, you click on this fileprom.com for 32-bit. Then here, you can click on this arrow here to know if to see the software, but it's automatically recognize the software you're using. If it's Mac, if there is any mistake, it's not it. I already have that installed, so no need. Sorry, kind of feeling for here. So yes, you can install for Mac, Windows or Linux. Just click on download and it will be done. Then over here for 32-bit, you can install Visual Studio Code 32-bit just by clicking. You should automatically install it, but why it's not installed? Install it from the site from here. So those you can click on relaunch if you want to install it again. But I already have it installed. So while that is done, that being done, the next we'll be needing for front end development is we might be using bootstrap. So what you just do for bootstrap is go over here okay, once you go over to bootstrap website, that should be it. Then after this, click on download, or you can just refer to the website. You can download. Also loading, just taking small time. Didn't to be downloaded. Also done, you should get bootstrap. I think it's from my network. Connection, you get bootstrap downloaded, or then that being done. So you have to launch your Visual Studio Code by going to your search bar. The installation process is just the same. It's nothing difficult in installation. It's the same like normal installation of other software. So once you've installed your VS Code, all you have to do is click the VS Code that you downloaded, double click it like this one. You double click it. Once you double click it, you go to I accept the agreement. Click on next. Click on create desktop icon. You can then click on install. You need to just take a little bit moment. Paint install. You need to install the software. So while we're waiting for it, okay, it's instructing the file. So after instructing it, install it. Let's wait a bit for it. Once it's done, when the installation process is done, there should be a button that says finish. You click on it, finished, then to launch Visual Studio Code for the first time. Once you launch Visual Code, wait for it to load. So let me just um this won't be, I already had it installed, that's why it's like this. So this won't be the window it will show you. Let me just create a new window so that it will look the same way it appears on your screen. So it should look like this. Go to comment. Okay. Yeah, it should look like this. This should be the welcome screen. This is how it should look. Then any option that comes, just click on next, and that's done. Or you can just click on this S to cancel it. Then click Ctrl plus if you want to zoom in. Ctrl plus if you want to zoom out. Ctrl minus. It's just very simple. When you navigate here, you can click on Open Folder to open any file you want to code on. Okay. Here you can install any package extension. I will discuss about that later. So Visual Studio Code